There's a stolen taxi parked in the center of the city. Fetch.
I need your car.
The boss' wife has been visiting a friend. Go, pick her up. Okay, now wait for the boss wife to get in.
Hi, handsome. Take me to the hotel. Would you be a love and pick up my fitness instructor on the way?
Okay, now wait for him to get in the car. Take us to the hotel and take your time.
Thanks for the lift, hon. I'd appreciate it if you could keep this to yourself. Also, could you watch our backs as we go in the hotel?
Nice one. Here's your payment. Go back to the phones if you want more missions.
Sorry, I need the wheels.
Rival crime lord's brother has just bought a house in the south of the city. We've decided to kidnap him. His house is heavily guarded, but we think it should be possible for you to slip in unnoticed. Although you can go in Olga's blazing if you like. Thinks one of the guards saw you. Kill him before he sets off the alarm.
Move and I'll blow your head clean off.
Okay, I'll come quietly.
Great. Now, take him to the helicopter on the roof. Now, wait for the kidnappee to get on board. Okay, now, fly him to our helipad to the northeast. Okay, now get out.
Bring him to us.
Ah, job well done. Here's your payment. Now, get out of here. Head to the phones for more missions. The rival crime lord has given in to our ransom demands. We've hidden his brother in the boot of a blue Mondino parked in the southeast of the city. Go and pick it up. Okay, now drive to the car park in the south of the city and make the trade. Get back in the car! Now, head to the meeting point. Get out of here! Get back to the meeting point. Get back in the car. Now, head to the meeting point. Get out of here. Okay, wait for them to put the briefcase down. Okay, now pick it up. Ha! Great! Now kill them for some extra money. Okay, now kill the rest. Okay, now kill the rest. Ah, nice one. Here's the extra money. Head to the phones for more missions.
Nice car. I'll take it.
A rival crime lord's brother has just bought a house in the south of the city. We've decided to kidnap him. His house is heavily guarded, but we think it should be possible for you to slip in unnoticed. Although you can go in Olga's blazing if you like. Idiots, one of the guards saw you. Kill him before he sets off the alarm. Oh, you idiots, one of the guards saw you. Kill him before he sets off the alarm. Oh, well, that's just great.
I need your car.
A rival crime lord's brother has just bought a house in the south of the city. We've decided to kidnap him. His house is heavily guarded, but we think it should be possible for you to slip in unnoticed. Although you can go in Olga's blazing if you like. Idiots, one of the guards saw you. Kill him before he sets off the alarm. Oh, you idiots, one of the guards saw you. Kill him before he sets off the alarm. Oh, you idiots, one of the guards saw you. Kill him before he sets off the alarm.
Move and I'll blow your head clean off.
Okay, okay, I'll come quietly.
Great. Now, take him to the helicopter on the roof. Ah, you idiots! You let the scumball die! Go to the payphones for more missions. That the residents of a local apartment block have decided not to pay their protection money. The boss wants to send a message to anyone else thinking of not paying up. I stashed a remote-triggered bomb down a nearby alleyway. Go and pick it up. Okay, now, put it down next to the apartment block. Now, drop the bomb. Great! Now, get out of there and blow them sky high. Ah, excellent. Here's your cash. Get back to the phones for some more missions. There's a stolen taxi parked in the center of the city. Fetch. Get your ass down to the phones for more missions.